Hi, I'm Cindi McGee. Today I'm using items from the Beachy Keen Create Along box to create these fun mixed metal Touch of the Sea earrings. I'm using some scrap brown Primo Sculpey that I've rolled to setting number 2 on my Atlas machine, and I'm going to use 2 texture sheets, the abstract wave sheets that came with the box, and my Cindy's Peacock's texture mat for the bottom texture. I'm using the Seashells template that came in this month's box, and I'm going to use the smallest clamshell for my earrings. I place it onto the textured clay sheet, and then I'm just going to use a craft knife to cut out 2 of these. Next, I'm using the sort of coppery, sparkly mica powder that came in this month's box and a paintbrush to apply it over the surface of the little clamshells. I did this on both the front and the back. It gives it some sparkle and shine, brings that coppery accent, and really brings out the textures. Next, I'm using a piece of gold Primo Sculpey accents, and I rolled that out to a setting 2 on my Atlas machine. I'm placing it onto that same texture mat, the waves one, and I'm using these awesome little texture sticks that came in the box this month. These are so much fun, and the potential for these, it's just mind-boggling. I love the little surfboards that you hold them on to that you can store them on. And I chose the sea turtle for mine. I'm pressing it in to create the texture, and then I'm going to use a small circle cutter to cut out around it, and I'm going to make 2 of these for my earrings. Before you bake all of your pieces, you can make your little holes for the jump rings, or you can drill them afterwards, which is what I decided to do for these earrings. Bake all the pieces according to the manufacturer's instructions and let them cool completely. Now that my holes were drilled, I went ahead and assembled my earrings. I chose to use silver findings as I wanted to use the silver starfish that came in the box as an accent also. I used a small silver jump ring to attach the starfish to the front of the clamshell, and then I used more jump rings to attach them to the sea turtle, and then attached a silver ear wire to the top. I hope you enjoyed this project made with items from the Beachy Keen Create Along box. Please continue to share your projects made with the different boxes on our Polymer Clay Tribe Facebook group. We love to see what you create along with us.